In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtask for subtasks in ClickUp. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, layered task structure using tasks, subtasks, and even deeper nested subtasks. First, start by opening the main task you're working on. This is your top-level item, the big thing you're trying to get done, like a project, a client deliverable, or a feature you're building. Once that main task is open, look for the Subtasks section. Depending on your layout, this is usually found a little further down in the task panel, so go ahead and scroll until you see it. Inside the Subtasks area, you'll see an option that says Plus New Task. This is what you'll use to create your first level of subtasks. Click that button, then give your subtask a clear, action-oriented name, like Draft Outline, Collect Assets, or Review with Team. You can repeat this as many times as you need to break your main task into manageable pieces. Think of this level as your primary checklist for finishing that main task. Once your first level subtasks are in place, you can start creating nested subtasks, or what we might call sub-subtasks. These are helpful when a single subtask is still too big and needs its own mini checklist. To do this, move your mouse over one of the existing subtasks in the list. As you hover over it, you'll see a small plus icon appear next to that subtask. Click this plus icon to create a nested subtask underneath it. Again, give this new nested subtask a clear, specific name that describes the smaller action, like Write Introduction, Gather Screenshots, or Send Follow-up Email. You can repeat this process for any subtask that needs to be broken down further. Hover over the subtask, click the plus icon, and add more nested subtasks. If your workflow is complex, you can even continue this pattern and build multiple levels of subtasks, giving you a very detailed hierarchy of work. As you build out your structure, try to keep things readable. Use consistent naming, avoid making levels that are deeper than you really need, and group related work under the same parent subtask. This makes your ClickUp space easier to navigate and helps your team see exactly what needs to be done, and in what order.